Alright, give me this. I gotta do my vocal exercises. How's it going, guys? Welcome to the channel. And today I have for you guys the official bike check of my wonderful Steve. Okay, guys, editor's note real quick. I'm sorry if you can't really hear me too well. It's kind of in a place that was kind of echoey. That was my bad. I picked the wrong location. So I'm sorry if you guys couldn't hear me. There was also cars passing by the whole time. And I was a bit far away from the camera, so I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me. That is my bad. I'll try to put subtitles in where you really can't hear my voice. Back to the video. It's my own signature bike. It's everything's signature. Everything's my parts on it from the company I ride for, Harrow, obviously. As you can see, frame is all black. Not much else to go on there. It's professionally made. My own frame, completely my own. Everything's mine. If we go here, you can see the seat. It's got some nice lead on it from me. A little bit of a different color, but it's okay. It's gray. It goes with it. We have the stem here, obviously a Harrow stem. My signature stem as well. We also have my forks here. Signature forks. Logan Foss signature forks. These are chrome bars, my signature bars. Did I forget to mention this is my signature bike? This is my signature bike. This is my signature bike. Don't let anybody take it different. These bars, obviously Harrow. Perfect bars, never had a single problem with them at all. And these stickers on this bike, the stickers that I have on the handlebars come with the bike. They're part of my bike, my signature bike. We wanted to add a little bit of flair with my bike, so we put some stickers in it, made it look nice and cool. And they're high-grade stickers, high-grade. Only the best of stickers for the best of bikes. We got some bar ends, some grips, just your standard bar ends and grips, but they are mine. My signature bar ends and grips. Don't let anybody else fool you. The pedals are also signature Harrow Logan pedals. See, they got the gray there to match the gray seat. We only match. Everything matches. And then we got my beautiful crank arms here that have never given me a single problem. Never, ever in my life. Okay. My chain, which is you guessed it, my signature chain. Yes, it's a signature. We also have my sprocket. Came with the bike, signature sprocket. My tires, my wonderful tires, not anywhere near bald whatsoever. They're supposed to be white. They don't look all completely white, I've ridden them a lot, but they are my signature tires. So we have my signature white tires here with the black walls on them. Beautiful combination. I could not have thought of anything else better. It was amazing. And this, you guys don't know. I'm not going to tell you guys because it's top secret. Okay? It's top secret, but this helps me land trips. Okay, and I don't want to go into detail about what it is, but it's from NASA. And now I know you guys are wondering, what does an amazing professional BMX rider like myself, we want to ask him some questions. We want to find out more about him because he's so intriguing and so interesting and so handsome and so good at bikes. First question that I get asked a lot is, Logan, how much money do you make? I'm not at liberty to discuss the the amount of money I make, but let's just say I bought a Lamborghini. Okay? I don't show it off on the channel because I don't want you poor people to feel down about yourselves. This is an inspirational channel. You can do anything, you can put your mind to anything. So I don't show off my Lamborghini or all that stuff. I like to show modesty on this channel. Next question I get asked a lot. Logan, how did you become so handsome? I was born this handsome, so I won't answer any more questions. Okay. I won't answer any more questions about how handsome I am or how good looking I am, stuff like that. So a lot of people have questions about that. But moving on, a lot of people ask me, how do you keep your composure when you're riding bikes? Okay, how do you keep so calm when you don't land a trick? Okay, and my answer to that is because I'm awesome. When you can control your emotions like I can, like I obviously can, cut it, then, you know, you're all set. You can fail a trick a million times. I failed a trick, I don't fail a trick that many times. When I try a trick, I land it. But don't worry, look, if you get frustrated on a trick, you know, I don't because I'm too good to not land tricks that often. But I just wanted to say, you guys can do anything you put your mind to. Look at me, millionaire, doing what he loves to do, riding bikes, filming videos, you know. You can do anything. You can do anything you put your mind to. Logan, if you're so rich, why do you wear these shoes that are green at the bottom? Well, it's simple. When I wear these shoes, I get better. They're not only my lucky shoes, they are my lucky shoes. I've been wearing them since I was 10. They are not only my lucky shoes, they help me land tricks. Just like this thing down here helps me land tricks, my shoes help me land tricks. I have special aero-grade technology in my shoes and the soles of my shoes that make it to where when I try a trick, my feet never come off the pedals. They never come off the pedals. When I'm doing a tail whip, my feet always land exactly where they're supposed to go. When I'm doing a foot jam, it lands exactly in that tire right there and lands exactly right back on the pedals. And when I'm falling, I can easily catch myself. I always land on my feet. Always. Because these shoes are special. They stick to the surfaces I want them to stick to. But the thing is, I want to give you guys a huge shout out for being there, watching my content, you know, making me even richer than I already am. All jokes aside, honestly, I love you guys for watching my videos. But if you guys didn't watch my videos, I would be just a rich guy with a Lamborghini. Like, I seriously want to thank you guys for all the support you guys have given me recently. It means a lot, and I can't express how happy it makes me to do these videos and do the things I do. It's probably the greatest, it's probably my favorite thing to do, to make these videos. So I seriously want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you tell your friends, you know, comment. What are you doing with your life? Go subscribe to my channel, okay? It's as simple as that. I'm out of here. It's the bike, man. I need to call my company out so they can make me a whole bike. tuck no hand here. Bar spin. Table. Oh God. Oh shit.
Wait, was I supposed to get your face?
Yeah.
I didn't do that. Do it again.